Hey, I'm Chanel, and today we're talking about the 8K Flying 360 camera, the Antigravity A1, and what makes this 360 drone different from a normal drone. Well, a normal drone can only film where you point the camera. It's missing everything around it. The output is a flat rectangle of video. A 360 drone can film everything around it at once, so you are not aiming at anything. You fly a path and the output is a sphere of video. Getting quality shots from a 360 drone does not require any technical knowledge. You just press record like you would with any other camera. Later in editing, you can choose where to look in the sphere of video. This is called reframing. You can look forward, behind, to the left, to the right, above, and below, all from a single sphere of video. Antigravity calls it fly first, frame later. So how does one drone see in every direction? Well, a 360 drone has two lenses, one on the top and one on the bottom. These lenses are so wide they can even see behind themselves. There is an overlap area in between the lenses where both lenses can see the same thing. This area is called a stitch line. The software lines up the overlap area and stitches it together into a seamless 360 video. This is called stitching. And here is the clever part. Anything in between the lenses is automatically invisible, and that's why you don't see the drone in the final 360 video. One of the coolest shots you can do with a flying 360 camera is actually one of the simplest. All you need to do is fly in a straight line. That's it. Then using either the Antigravity app or Antigravity Studio, you can reframe the 360 video into shots that will make your viewers ask, how did you do that? You can pretty much guarantee that all your 360 shots will look very smooth because a 360 drone has built-in gimbal-like stabilization. You can get much better stabilization from a 360 drone compared to a normal drone because it can always balance a sphere of video to keep the horizon completely straight. So let me show you some cool shots we can create from a single shot using the Antigravity app. To create the shots, I will go into the keyframe editor. Then I will change the direction lock to free view so there is no direction lock applied. To create the tilt up shot, first I will start by looking down. Then I will go to the zoom slider, select linear to zoom in and get rid of fisheye distortion. Add a keyframe to save this view at the beginning of the video. Move forward 5 seconds in the timeline. Drag my finger up to reveal the surroundings in front. Add a keyframe here. And now when I play this back, I have a 5-second tilt-up shot. To create the barrel roll effect, I will add a keyframe at the beginning of the video. Then I'll move forward 5 seconds in the timeline. Add a keyframe. Go to rotation. Change the rotation to 360 degrees, which is one full rotation. And now when I play this back, I have the barrel roll effect. To create a pan shot, I will start by moving the view to the left-hand side. Go to the zoom slider and select linear to zoom in and get rid of fisheye distortion. Add a keyframe here. Then I will move forward 5 seconds in the timeline. Move the view to the right-hand side. Add a keyframe here. And now when I play this back, I have a left to right pan shot. To create a zoom in effect, I will start by going to the zoom slider and make sure it is at mega view for a zoomed out effect. Add a keyframe here. Then I'll move forward 5 seconds in the timeline. Add a keyframe here. Go to the zoom slider. Select linear. Or you can go past linear to zoom in even more. And now when I play this back, you will see a zoom in effect. To create a tiny planet effect, add a keyframe at the beginning of the video, go to the zoom slider, select tiny planet, drag your finger up to turn the view into a tiny planet, update the keyframe to save this view, and now I have a tiny planet shot. To create the hamster wheel effect, add a keyframe, go to the zoom slider, select tiny planet, drag your finger down, update the keyframe to save this view, and now I have a hamster wheel shot. If you're looking for a faster way to edit your footage, then you can use one of the templates in the Edit tab. So I'm going to search the Featured tab to use a template. I will use Grand Reveal as an example. Tap Use this theme. Select one of the footage. Select your aspect ratio here. Tap Confirm. Tap Next Step. And this is the result auto-edited for you. By the way, Antigravity is having a big Prime Day sale with up to 25% off. So if you want to get the A1 before your next big adventure, then check out the discounts in the video description. The first 10 orders to use the link in the video description will get a free anti-gravity flight battery worth over $100. And for those in the US, you can get 2-year US warranty protection benefits with fast US-based repair service as well. That's it for this video. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Subscribe for more anti-gravity tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.